goes with the name Gwalia, which literally means Wales. How could I not go there? Okay, so welcome to another unboxing prior to the start of my midlife crisis journey. Today we're doing the air compressor, which is the Bushranger Max Air III, which has got pretty good reviews online. It's fairly small for the amount of power it produces and comes in a very smart kit. So let's see what's in the box. So to start, everything comes very nicely packed away in its own carry case. So there we go, put the box to one side. Let's check out what's in the bag. Okay, so we've got two compartments down the front here. Now this is the cable for the air compressor, which is a whopping 11.5 meters, so you know it's far above average. Okay. So that should mean, you know, you should be able to reach all four tires without any major inconvenience. In the main compartment, open it up. Alright, so we have got some packaging. I thought it was too good to be true, but we have got some packaging. The instructions, as you can see, very neatly packed away here. Here's the compressor. Before we go on to the compressor itself, I'll just show you that it comes with a nice pistol gun. This compressor, unlike a lot of others, when you connect it to the battery, it won't start automatically pumping out air. Indeed, it won't until you pull this trigger. So you don't have to worry about running around trying to put things where it should go. It's also got an inbuilt digital indicator, which will show you the PSI or bar, depending on which you prefer. This itself looks like it's battery powered. There's two AAA batteries in there. And we've also got some valves in there to blow out anything from a football, bicycle to car tires. You can also use this element of the pump itself as a fast release valve to let your tires down, so you can deflate and inflate. Alright. So pretty standard shape for a single compressor. Reminds me somewhat of an old iron or maybe a sewing machine. So here we go. We've got the inlet port, switch, nice long lead to connect up to the car battery once again with clamps. And you've got a selection of different valves and adapters and spare parts. This is the inlet filter, which would go in place to this bung. You'd want to replace this every, well, it depends how active you are and how much you're using it, the dust in the environment, etc. If you're out in the desert, but then you'd probably replace them all the time. And it comes with a couple of filters and filler pads. Alright, so I have to say I'm quite impressed with this. We've got a couple of side pockets which are empty when it arrives. Yeah, so I'm fairly impressed. I'll do a full review in a couple of months when I've had a chance to use it, going on and off beaches, etc. Until then, let's see how it fits back in the box without the cushioning. Obviously, before I take it out into the field, I want to install some air filters, just for the purposes of this video. I'm just showing. And obviously the spare parts, etc., you can put into the side pockets, make it more comfortable. But it does very neatly tuck away in this nice carry. but it does take up a lot of room. Bearing in mind space is a premium in the back of the Jeep, it'll be interesting to see how and where I can fit this in. Okay, so until we're down the road a wee bit, that's it for now.